Hello, today I'm going to show you how to run a custom mission on Arma 3 in the Steam Workshop. This mission is the Thing Classified Specimen. I had the opportunity to play the beta version with the creator of this mission, Phantom, and it's pretty awesome and popular right now. And I've noticed in the comments that a lot of people are having trouble running this mission. So I know there's 101 videos about how to install add-ons, run missions, do things like that. But hopefully this will just be a newer one that'll be more fresh in your mind that may be able to help you. So when you get to a custom mission in the Steam Workshop, typically they have the listing of their mods required. Right here you'll see that Phantom, the mods required for this mission, is listed as TRYK, NATO, Zombies and Demons, or Extraterrestrial, blah blah blah. Whatever they happen to be. The point of these being here is that you need to install these in your Steam Arma 3 folder in order to get the mission running. So, if I want to download one of these, click on the link, and it takes me to Armaholic, where this add-on or mod is actually hosted at. So, I can scroll down, get to the bottom, and it'll show you a link. Click to download the mod. It'll tell you the size, different things like that. So it's easy. Just click the link. The mod or add-on will start downloading, depending on what kind of browser you're using. Sometimes it'll give you an error that the connection to the database failed or something like that. If that happens, just use your back button, reload the page, and try it again. Now, depending on where your downloads go to, you can go to that location, and you'll see here is the mod that I just downloaded, 12.9, 10.09 a.m. Now, I want to extract this into my Arma 3 folder in Steam. So I have to find that. Now, on your computer, it'll be a different location. On mine, it just happens to be on this drive right here, the Crucial drive. So I find Steam, go down to Steam Apps, go to Common, find my Arma 3 folder, and you can see the different mods and add-ons already listed in here. So I select this folder, and I click OK. Now it'll extract it to that folder. Now to make sure that it went to that folder, I'm going to go to my Crucial drive over here, go to Steam, go down to my Steam Apps, go to Common, go to Arma 3, and look through this long list. Now sometimes, here's the problem, sometimes when you extract it, it may come out as a different name. So you may look through this list and you don't see the alien adversaries or whatever. You're looking, which one is it? Is it in here? I found an easy way to fix that is to look at the dates. The date's modified here. If I go down this list, I see one that says 12/9/2015. So this was just downloaded or extracted here. And this is SABEXT, probably extraterrestrials. So now that I have that installed, I would go through and make sure the rest of these mods are downloaded and installed the same way. Once I get that done, once I get all those in there, I want to go to my games, go to Arma 3, and click play. Now what you'll get is your little Arma 3 start screen here that'll show news, parameters, mods, battle eye. We're interested in mods here. Now, let me get rid of this for the sake of this video. Okay, so for right now, let me just show you an easy way to look these or compare these two to make sure you have the right mods activated. We have the mods downloaded now. We have them in our folder, but we have to make sure that they're actually um, that they start up with the game. So I can compare the different mods here. I see I have TRYK is installed, and right here, this is a loaded mod. I've loaded it, TRYK. The loaded mod means that when I start Arma, these mods will load with Arma. The NATO, I have NATO in there. Zombie and Demons, Aurora, Aurora, Extraterrestrials. Oh, that's the one that I don't have listed here. So, what I'm going to do is, if you look up here, has a little plus sign with a folder. This opens a dialog where you can add local user mods. So I click on this folder, and I will go to my Crucial Drive again. You want to go right back to that Arma 3 folder. So Steam Apps, Common, Arma 3. Look for that new add-on that you got there. Here's mine, date modified. Remember, that's how we can tell the new one. Click on that, select folder, and it tells you we have processed the folders you have selected. Here are the results. Added mod SABEXT. Click OK. Excuse me. And now I have all the mods that were listed on the mission page. So now all I have to do is click play. Initializing add-ons, loading add-ons, Arma 3 will start up. Then I'll get to this screen here. Now, it'll show you the little loaded mods or add-ons that you have right here. If I want to play single player, I'll click on play. And I'll go to scenario. You see how it says play single player scenarios and user-made missions. These will show you the different missions that you're subscribed to in the Steam Workshop. Now I can click on the thing. I can change my game options such as difficulty, things of that nature. And then there'll be a little button here that says start. Mine says resume because I've already played, saved, that type of stuff there. So, but once you have that, you click start, your game will start up, no problem, choose your role, and go. The next option I'm going to talk about is multiplayer. Now, multiplayer is a little bit different. In order to do multiplayer, you are going to have to open a port, make sure a port is opened on your router for Arma 3. I will leave a description or I'll leave a link in the description on instructions for different routers and how to port forward for Arma. But every router is different, so that'll be something that you'll just have to look up, but it's pretty easy. So, in order to create your own server to play co-op play, what you'll want to do is go down to New, and see here, this is just my username on my PC. You can name it whatever you want to name. Make sure that the host is Internet. The port is whatever port you forwarded on your router. Max players is whatever you happen to be. In this instance, it's only 4 players that can play this mission, so I can just choose 4 there, and I can click OK. Now, once you do that, you get an option of some different maps here, different things like that. I know that this mission is hosted on this Aurora map, so if I click on that, you'll see over here, mission, the Thing Classified Specimen. So I click on that, and then I click play. Now, what that'll do is that will start up the little server that I'm hosting, and your friends can connect to it. They will have to have your IP address. So you can find that by going on Google, doing what's my IP. You can tell your friend, what your IP is, and then you have to tell them that port that we forwarded to. And when they get to this screen, the multiplayer screen, they can go to remote. They can type in whatever your IP address is. They type in the port, and then you click OK, and the server will be listed up here. And once you click on that, you'll get back to that little lobby, and you'll be able to begin the game that way. So hopefully that helped you out. Like I said, I know there's a million videos out there, but hopefully this will make it a little bit easier and more fresh in your mind.